Yes, it's recording. Great. So today I'm making you understand the difference between aerobics and Zumba, okay, and dance and yoga, and is dance and aerobics both are same or not, okay, and what are aerobics and anaerobics exercise? This type of small differences, because you should understand, okay, while there are so many forms are there, what are they actually? Okay, now let me start with the difference between aerobic and anaerobic exercises. Okay, now like swimming, skipping, dancing, okay, where we use it to have in order to build our cardiovascular part. Okay, cardiovascular like health and body. Okay, so that is the major thing of aerobic. Anaerobic means in a short term like weightlifting, especially for the gym people who wants to work more on their bone strength and the muscle strength. Okay, so that is the part of anaerobic exercises. So there is a basic difference between aerobic and anaerobic. Here we are majorly concentrating on the aerobic exercise where we are using and consuming lot of oxygen. In the anaerobic, there is no much significance to the oxygen. Okay, so but here what we are doing, we are majorly concentrating on the blood circulation and oxygen circulation to each and every part of the body. That is the reason each and every part where the oxygen and the blood is reaching and the touching, so that part is going to heal. So that is how we are calling this as a dance therapy. So whatever the small ailment that dance can cure in this journey, you people are going to achieve that. Achieve that. Okay. So am I audible clearly to each and everybody, right? Okay, great. So now the next one, aerobics and Zumba. Okay. So like the people will say a lot of differences based on the market. So even you can identify even on the internet what people will say. Aerobics or dance instruction means the choreographer or the dance instructor, he may call out the step name. Now one, two, three, then people will go. Like initial days, they will teach and then they will instruct on the voice. Sometimes we don't see instructor in most of the studios. They are going to listen the audio or the instructions of the choreographer and then they will do. Okay, and most of the times coming to the aerobics and everybody face, including the instructor, including the dance trainer, everybody faces to the mirror. Everybody faces to the mirror. So that is how the trainees who are attending the training, so they are going to observe the instructor in a similar direction. If he is moving his right side, they are also going to move their right side. If the instructor is using the left side, he used to do. That is how it is. And coming to Zumba, the difference between is the instructor is facing the participants just like this. Okay, but what I made think is I don't think there is a big difference between aerobics and Zumba. Okay, or dance and Zumba. The major difference what I identified from my research is, for example, if my father generation, it is a generation gap. If my father generation they do aerobics, means this generation they are doing Zumba. Zumba is new. It's a new version of dance. That's what I have identified. There is no much difference between dance forms. But what is another difference is here in a rhythmic way. Here in a rhythmic way we do in aerobics dance, but in Zumba, like it's majorly concentrating on the fitness. Okay, some 30-minute continuous mix or 40-minute mix. We used to have some mashup songs of Bollywood and like every day. If you see North India, they do North India mix, Bollywood mix. If you see South India, like Tollywood mix, Collywood mix, okay, Mollywood mix, like that. Okay, they used to bring their songs and they will do that. And now coming to the difference between dance and yoga. Okay, okay. So here what's happening is yoga, majorly we are sitting and thinking of something and concentrating on something and making our energy levels higher, which helpful for the dance. Okay, and in our 5 day session, if you see like 3 plus 3, okay, three stretchings of pre-dance and the three stretchings of the post-dance, I have shown you. Okay, so if you see the first part, they are the ailments which can eliminate all the air blockers or whatever the blockers are there. Okay, whatever the blockages that is happening for the blood flow or the oxygen flow, that warm up will help. And posting, I don't know how many of you felt suffered or not. When we do the post stretchings after the dance, the whole day will not feel anything that, okay, today morning I have danced. Okay, so that Padmasan part, okay, that leg stretching part, and then Vajrasan part, only these three things I have concentrated most is you will not feel anything throughout the day and you feel fresh. Okay, and in our journey, so today, like from head to toe, what the complete warm up, I'm going to show. Okay, so like last 5 days we have seen only the neck and head movements, and then complete body stretching, and then only on our rib and chest part. Only these parts we have identified. So today, what I'm going to show you is from head to toe. Okay, from top to bottom, how we are eliminating the blockages of each and everything. So that is what we are going to do. And then we are quickly revising our 54 steps and how we are utilizing these 54 steps, how we are introducing new steps, everything, it will come over. Okay. And tomorrow, in tomorrow's session, we are concentrating on yoga movements. Okay. Yoga movements and each and every yoga movement, how it is bringing to which part it helps most. Like that, I'm enhancing the knowledge on yoga part also. Okay, so till here, what is the basic introduction I have given? It brings you clarity that everything related to our health and active lifestyle, which brings something that is very, very helpful, not only to the physical health, to also to the mental health. Okay, and the Nachi Yoga, Shakti Yoga part. The moment when you learn all these parts, you will be the part of a Shakti Yoga community. Okay, means not the special community of ACD. Generally, I am talking about the people who knows the frequent part. Okay, who understand the basic difference to the major knowledge. So they can aim anything, like they can aim anything and they can work on that. They can make good decisions. So like the whole research already done by you. Okay, no need to say. No need to say. So this is the thing, and I hope till this part, if anybody is having any questions, I am ready to take the questions and answer. If no questions, then I'll start with the warm up part, which are very very important. Okay, any questions? Great. So shall we start the warm up part? Great. Okay. Okay, so the first one, it belongs to the head and neck. Everybody knows that. Okay, so let's repeat them again. So the head and neck. We are concentrating first on head and neck. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and next one, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, right and left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now the shoulder part. Okay, so try to touch your hand, shoulders with the hand. Okay, like this, and try to touch both the elbows. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now next set, similar thing, and we are going top. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And now clockwise 5, anti-clockwise 5, the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now after that, okay, give like 2 to 3 seconds of gap in between every word, and then now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so till here what we done is head part, neck part, shoulder part, chest part. Okay, so like shoulder part now, let's come back to chest part like we already did this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, the same thing like this or like this also you can do, anything is fine. Okay, you can do like this also, or with the stretching hands also you can do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you can do that as well. So next one is Trikonasana bendings. Okay, next one is Trikonasana bendings. We are calling them as Trikonasana. In two ways we can do. Okay, the sideways bending and the cross bending. The sideways bending and the cross bending. Sideways bending means, okay, so we are doing like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now when it comes to cross bending, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So now let's come to the hip part. Okay, the waist part. Okay, so clockwise 5, anti-clockwise 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now anti-clockwise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and little bit bending backwards on a 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the same bendings to right and left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now that is how we completed till waist part. Now coming to knees and thighs. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and knee part clockwise and anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and next one is kickings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the kickings from both hand and leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now the complete body stretching. Okay, so from head, so from head to like this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so these are complete from head to till toe. That is how we have eliminated all the blockages. All the blockages. Anybody is having any questions till this part? Great, great. Okay, now let's revise. Let's revise 54 steps, 54 steps once. Okay, great. 54 steps once. Everybody ready, right? Okay, great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay, 6 and 7. 6, 7, 6, 7. Now, 8 and 9. 8, 9, 8, 9. And the 10th one, the rotation bar. Great. Now, 11 and 12. 11, 12. 11, 12. 11, 12. 13 and 14. 13, 14. 13, 14. 13, 14. And then 15, 16, 17, 18. 15, 16, 17, 18. 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, and 19 and 20. 19 and 20. 19, 20. 19, 20. Right? So now 21 and 22. 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so 21, 22, 23, 24. 25 and 26. 25, 26. 25, 26. 25, 26. Okay, and 27 and 28. 27, 28. 27, 28. 27, 28. 27, 28. Okay, and 29 and 30. 29 and 30. 29, 30. 29, 30. 29 and 30. Now, next one. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay. So this set, the reason why I have included from 31 to 36, most of the places regarding the hip movements. To enhance your steps based on the hip movements, we can make use of these steps especially. Okay. So 31 and 32. 31, 32. 31, 32. 31, 32. Okay. This is the 2 count. If I want to convert the same thing to 4 count means 31, 32. 31, 32. So this movement, the whole 31 of 1 count, I am doing 2. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Okay. So 31, 32. 33, 34. 33, 34. 33, 34. 33, 34. Okay. Now 35 and 36. 35, 36. 35, 36. 35, 36. And then 37 and 38. 37, 38. 37, 38. 37, 38. Okay. And then 39 and 40. 39, 40. 39, 40, 39, 40. If I am doing same thing for on 4 count, 39, 40, 39, 40. Catch? Now 41, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Okay, and then 46, 47, 46, 47, 46, 47, and then 48 and 49. Okay, 48, 49, 48, 49, 48, 49. And then 50, last one is 50. Okay, 50. 1, 2. And then on a 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Great. Exactly. Now the 4 savior moments. Hello Bharat, welcome. So next, the 50. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 savior moments. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, and then next Tinmar moment 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, and next third one 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so this leg movement, whatever the leg movement I am doing now, most of the cases this can be your most favorite savior movement. Most favorite savior movement. Why? Because with your hands you can do multiple things, but if the leg movement, if you have signature, then you can do a lot of wonders. Okay, see here 1, 2. So at my hip level. Okay, now at my stomach level 1, 2, 1, 2. Now at my chest level 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so like we can use 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, if you see like different combinations we have brought from this same thing. Okay, now maybe the 54 count now, maybe it crosses 100 or 120, we don't know, but we did that. Okay, so that's the thing. And the last one, this one is the right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If we are doing the same thing fast, okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. If it is rotation, okay. So these are 54 things. These are 54 things. Now, while we are learning Zumba and then this warm up and then yoga part, I'll tell one beautiful thing. One beautiful thing. See here, for example, if you see few moments like 1920, okay, and then 21, 22, 23, 24 thing, right? 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, the posture part, while you are doing this, how your body is moving. For example, you can do without any movement in the body, like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But the what my body is doing while I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4. Why it is going back little bit tilt towards back? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Because dance is nothing but not only this one, right? We need to use the complete body. You need to use the complete body. So what yoga is doing, whatever the nerve, for example, while I'm looking at back side, few people can see till this corner. Few people can see till this corner. Few people can see till this corner. Am I right? Am I right? So you can experience it. For example, if I take in my case, okay, so till what extent I can look? Okay, so till this direction. Okay, till this direction I can see. And some people maybe they can look till here also. But how? Like the yoga practice is making us, okay, our warm-up practice it is making us do such thing. For example, the hip part. Today, on day one, those who are doing this rotation, right? Those who are doing this rotation. Okay, can you please repeat everybody this rotation part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I am moving only my waist and the knees. That's it. Okay. So how many of you are doing like that? Only waist and knees. This part and this part. That's it. And your legs are not moving anyway. Okay. Great. Okay. Now the same thing. I'm not keeping like this. I'm keeping like this. Okay. I'm just keeping like this. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why I told like this means while doing like that, okay, you feel muscle is coming down and up, down and up, down and up in this part. Okay, so that is how we are building up our flexibility. That is how we are building up our flexibility. For example, same thing, same movement. Now keep the hands here on your tummy. Okay, keep the hands on your tummy and then do now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like while doing this at one place, you will feel your tummy bit harder. At which place? At which place? See, for example, 1. So while I'm doing this part where my momentum comes here, during the time I feel my tummy bit harder. Means what I mean, I'm increasing flexibility and the blood flow and my muscle is trying to move while I'm taking this movement. Okay, in this way, I am developing. For example, now keep the hands like this. Keep the hands like this and do now. 1. Don't move your hands. Your hand should be as static as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? Because when I keep my hands like this, the people who are looking at us, they can see our hip or our waist is moving so good. Okay, so that's the reason most of the belly dancers all the time they will keep their hands to top. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So you might have seen the ring, right? The girls will have the ring. Okay. So the initial days they practice like this. At the end of the day, at the end of their practice, how good and how fast they can move, like so fast. so fast. Okay, so great. So that is how we are building it up. That is how we are building it up. Now, because of this wasting, the moments like 1, 2, and 15, 16, 17, 18. So, this 15, 16, 17, 18, try to keep your hands at this part, like as previously, at this part above your hip, above your seat, and then try to do that 15, 16, 17, 18, 15, 16, 17, 18, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so while rotation, so during rotation, how you feel that the muscle part, even in 15, 16, 17, 18 also, you will feel the same. You will feel the same. Now, our 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay, so 31, 32, 30. Okay, 31, 32, 31, 32. In this one, see here is my hand. Is my waist is going till that place? No, it is not going. Now I am reducing some gap. No, it is not going. Yes, now it's going. So like that, keep your distance, keep your perimeter till where it can go. So keep like this. No, it is not going. It is not going. Yes, it is going. Okay, and similarly here also. Similarly here also. Like if, when you set your parameter, if you do till where, till maximum extent if you go, so then four count will come very nicely. Four count will come very nicely. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay. Got it, right? And now let's see this one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now keep the hands above your seat and then do now 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so here I'm not doing with one shoulder, right? Okay, I'm not doing 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm not doing like this. What I'm doing? Both shoulders. Both my head, shoulders, chest part is going to right corner, left corner. Right corner, left corner. Right corner, left corner. But why I'm using my hands here? Why? Because my structure should be visible to the people. My posture should be visible to the people. Okay, one person is dancing. So the difference between 1, 2. So when I keep the hands right, my elbows are moving like this. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, if I keep my hands like this, 1, 2, 1, 2. If I keep my hands like this, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, based on the beat, how we can change this step? Based on the beat, how we can change this step? Intermediate Jimmy upper dipper day. So this 1, 2, what I did, I converted into 4 count as 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it, right? Yes, yes. So now by this time with the hip movements, now my maybe if I don't do warm up, okay, if I didn't finish the warm up before this one, while having this movement, right? Maybe your actual capacity go to this much extent, but there is no warm up before the session. Maybe it goes still here only. If you do warm up right, it go big extend to that. Great, great. Okay. So here in our sessions, every 45 minutes we will take a break. Every 45 minutes we will take a break. So let's take a break for a moment. Let's take a break of a moment. In the meanwhile, I'll explain Bharat side what happened so far. So Bharat, what I did is I just explained the difference between dance and yoga, aerobic exercises and anaerobic exercises, and then difference between aerobics and Zumba. Okay, how we can call this complete thing as Natya Yoga and Shakti Yoga. That's it. That's what we discussed, and then we practiced 54 moments. During that time, you have arrived. Okay, so that's what happened.
Sir, is it allowed to drink little water?
Yes, yes, yeah, please. Okay, like in our whole, like in 2 hour session, if we consider like 2 hour session, 2 times or 3 times we can have. So that's why I told keep a bottle or juice ready. So hydration is also important. Okay, little bit of more times. If we take one at a time, then while doing the dance, right, will be little uncomfortable in the stomach. That's it. Okay, don't feel bad. Like if there are kids in the batch, how I'm going to teach for you people also I'm treating like that only. Don't feel bad and please acknowledge or give feedback if something needs to be changed from my end. Okay. Yeah. And Ramesh, I have watched all your short films. They are super. They are super. And especially that mask and Corona that thing, right? And what are the variations that you have shown? Amazing.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes, yes.
That was
And even that good and bad part, good dates and bad dates. Wow, like two variations, like super. And by the way, is that your car? Where the scratch done?
my friend's car. That was my friend. The second one was mine.
Great, no problem. And you can, like, if you don't have any issue, you can share them in our group as well, in our ACD club. Maybe they'll also see. Ramesh is a great actor. For everyone's information, he's a great upcoming actor and like so many things he's doing.
Thank you.
Sir, straight away registered in his fan club.
Yeah, yeah. Great. And let me ask this quick question. Any of you here, those who are there in today's batch, how many of you are feeling knee pain? How many of you are having history of knee pain? Okay, Rajesh sir.
I don't have history.
Okay.
Just now, little bit of stretching feeling I am having.
Oh, now, right?
Because these movements we are not doing sir, regularly. That's why.
Yeah. No, I'm talking about the history. Right now, like after 4 stretchings, they will go. I'm not talking about current. Okay. So no other people, they're not having it. Yes, Rajesh.
Sir, I have ankle surgery, sir. Right leg.
Oh, right leg. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Why I'm asking is, for example, if you are feeling pain and you are having some history means, just do let me know. Okay, do let me know and try to avoid that one. Okay, because we are not aware of that history, right? So based on it, and any other person they're having any health issues or some knee pain history or hip surgery, and those who are having the disc, okay, the disc issue on the spinal cord, the disc issue, please let me know. Okay, that's it. Great. So tomorrow, like each and every yoga moment that I'm going to explain you, which brings the health benefit. Okay, along with the health benefit, I will try to motivate your learning towards the learning of yoga. Okay, for example, this yoga movement will create good to your liver. This yoga movement will create good to your kidney. Okay, so if you're having sciatica issues and all those things, then this is the yoga movement. So, like, if I tell like this, you will understand the importance of that and you will learn quickly. Okay, the same thing that I have done in the last 5 days. Okay, the same thing that I have done in the always please be like Samir always tells to his friends like you celebrate your learnings, celebrate your learning. If you feel oh God, I need to get up by 6 o'clock for the dance, I cannot. Why? Because I have slept 2 o'clock last night. I cannot get up. No, in fact, like last night I slept at 1:30. 1:30. Okay, so like it's not like I wanted to see friends. I wanted to see like okay, we need to celebrate the learnings until and unless very urgent issue comes. Okay, until and unless very urgent issue comes. Great. Now let's get back. Let's get back. So now the first five moments are there, right? The first five moments, 1 to 5, 1 to 5. First, let's observe each and everyone over here how they are doing. We'll start with Rajesh sir. We'll start with Rajesh Narayan sir. Okay, how he is doing first 1 to 5. Okay, like one by one I wanted to see. Rajesh sir, please go ahead. 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Yeah, 1, yes. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5. Great. Now Ramesh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5. Okay. Now Rajesh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5. Okay. Now Roy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5. Great. Now Ramoti sir. 1. Ramoti sir. Am I audible? Okay, I think he's having audio issues. Bharat sir, go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5. Okay. Now Mohan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5. Yes. Faridar. 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5. Okay. Now let me show you. Okay. Now let me show you. So always I am facing the corners. Always I am facing the corners. The right corner, left corner, right corner, left corner. And pattern of me, always like 98% of all my movements start from right to left. Okay. If you are left-handed, you can start from left to right. For example, this right and left I am starting right. You can do left and right as well. That is up to you. But my pattern always it starts from right. Okay. So 1. So it is down. 2. Down. 3. Up. 4. Up. And then 5. 1. 2. So this complete first 5 movements, I am concentrating on the corners. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. Okay. And some of you are observing like they are completely turning to complete right. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. When you do like this means the reason. What is the difference between the complete? We can do no issues. But when you face the corners, so during that time, the visibility for the public, okay, the grace for the public, it will be good if we face the corner, okay, corner, and especially this one, right? So this one, while I'm doing this one, my hand is being here only, my leg is going there. Okay, and even here. Now, how can we improvise these 5 steps? How can we improvise these 5 steps? See, like 1, 2. This is the one. Now, I'm making simple difference to this one. 1. See what my hand leg is doing there. Okay. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So what they are doing? I just improvised. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the step actually. Okay. So this 1 and 2, I just made like okay. So like I'm remembering like one song with specific music. Okay, the olden days when we are seeing disco. Okay, disco dances on the stage. So during that time, we are going to make this moment. So this is the moment. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So the same thing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So now let me show you slowly, very slowly. Okay. So 1, 2. I just doing a little bit of displacement of my foot. Okay, so till here to here to here. Very small displacement, very small displacement. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now try to increase the speed. Okay, try to increase the speed. Great. Okay, so it is like okay. Now, one small secret why I have included this rotation step at the very beginning. Okay. So, what's the magic of this rotation step means? You will feel good and relaxed, and you people will be feel very very light when you are doing this rotation step. Okay. The hand movement always while you are doing like this or like this, where you feel that the hands are very easy and you can concentrate on rest everything. Right? So that's the thing. And next, these two also you can do the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Yes. So now 6 and 7. 6 and 6 and 7. This is the basic movement, right? So coming to the leg, what leg is doing? 1, 2, 1, 2. Coming to the hands, what hands are doing? 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2. While it is forward movement, my leg and hands are open. My head is landing, my hands are opening. Okay, so in a similar way, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now try to move your head like this, okay? Like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So what I'm doing with my head, okay? Why I'm making the grace like 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so why we are doing like this means that's the rhythm. We are communicating to the public that we are understanding the rhythm and I'm making use of the body. Okay, like when somebody asks like how he did the dance, like how he danced. Okay, then amazing. He just learned and he did. Okay, so like we need to make the difference, right? We need to make the difference. That's why very minutely I am telling you where people will get registered, where people will get registered. You might have seen Ranveer Singh's song. Ranveer Singh's a few songs. If you see, for example, this is one step. Okay, they will do like this will do like and one more is this is one step. Okay, and then with the hair like these are the steps nowadays. Like why? What they're doing nothing with their hands or no big floor movements or nothing they are doing. What they are doing, they wanted to register something in people's mind. And why I'm concentrating that is first, like dance means we need to express ourselves. And the people who watched us and they went back means they need to remind us when someone is dancing, when someone is dancing. Great. Now, at this moment, I just wanted to ask one help for this 1 to 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I need your favorite songs. For example, two favorite songs of Rajesh Narayan, two favorite songs of Ramesh, like that. From everybody, I need two favorite songs. Okay, and if possible, kindly post them in our group of MP3. And if you don't know like how to download and send me, please let me know what are their songs, what are the songs. Then I may go download and then keep them, keep those tracks ready. Why I'm telling you. What are the two songs that you people are going to give? Yes, Rajesh.
Sir, is it dance oriented or like melody, anything?
Anything like that's what I'm going to say. Like for which two songs always you wanted to perform dance, right? Okay, these are my top two songs where I need to perform dance. So those type of songs. Why? Because at the end of like once we learn, I'm making you people to do your own choreography for those two songs. In the meanwhile, I'm going to show how a dance instructor choreograph for a song. Okay, for a song. Even today, I'm going to show you a live choreography, and I don't know like what are the steps to be implemented. I'll take some mix of movements, and for which this rhythm I can keep this movement. Like this, I will keep, and we can develop a small thing, and that can be any random song. That can be any random song. You people also can suggest, or let me also put this one. Okay. So is this clear to everybody, right? Two favorite songs of yourself. Kindly post me in our post in the WhatsApp group so that like you people are going to eventually dance for those songs. Okay, right? And please bear with me. Whatever small mistake or any mistake, I'm going to identify and please, Fani, do like this. Please, Rajesh, do like this. Please, Ramesh, do like this. I'll tell. Okay. So please don't feel bad. Okay, why? Because we are no more kids. We are the mature people. Let's keep this happen. Let's keep this happen. Great. Okay, why? Because my perfection till how it went means even in the lockdown time, I thought of learning belly dance. Okay, I thought like belly dance is a part of girls and women. It's not part of the men. You know what happened? Last April or May, I guess. Okay, I had food completely. I forgot all my diet things and all, and I had complete non-veg to bring out some tummy where I need to show difference. Where I need to show difference on the belly dance. Means I just wanted to go that extent. If we want to learn something, means let's learn like that. Why? Because without any fat in our tummy, we cannot show the difference in the belly dance. That's the formula they said. Okay, then I go ahead and it had. Okay, so the simple thing, like why I'm sharing means I just wanted to share, like from my side, if I'm learning means I'm doing like this, and it will be completely different from each and everybody. Okay, so two songs. Kindly think. Don't be in hurry. Don't be in hurry. Try to think what are those two songs. Okay, and you people are going to record themselves, and you people are modifying the steps lot many times. Okay, the moment when you dance for that one, what Rajesh, what Ramesh, what Roy, what Mohan, what Ramurthy, what Rajesh, like Bharat, everybody should astonish. Is that you? Is that you who danced that? Okay, like that we need to bring out that. We need to bring out that. Right? Okay. Now, any of you kindly suggest one song where live on the live, let me choreograph from our 54. Okay, whatever the 54 moments are there, right? From the 54 moments, let's develop a 1 minute or a 1.5 minute song. That's it. Okay, 1 minute or 1.5 minute. If you want me to select one song, I'll select, or else please suggest.
You must please select some Ilayaraja song. It would be more common to everyone.
Great, Ilayaraja song. Okay, can you suggest like one song, maybe?
Remembering some Telugu songs, but I'm thinking of a more.
okay, like let me search on YouTube on some Ilayaraja song. If you can't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will have to work till you die. Okay, please let me know if you are hearing the music.
This is Varun Malhotra, and in the last 10 years, we have been.
Guys, please let me know. I am trying to find out one common song which is for everybody. Everybody understand. Okay, so can I do some A.R. Rahman song? Why? Because most of his films, everybody, even Ilayaraja's thing also there.
So can we try that? Papuri, 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 papuri. That I think it's a common song.
Yes, yeah.
Ilayaraja could be a more widely known song. That's what I was saying.
Yes, do you have any idea from which movie it is?
Vichitra Sodarlu, Telugu Vichitra Sodarlu, Tamil I don't remember.
Tamil Apurva Sahodara.
Oh, okay, yeah, Apurva Sahodara, yes. Now I got it. Kamal Haasan's right, yes, got it.
Probably we can try something from Dance Master also. I just now remember.
Got it, yes. Okay. Right. I'm already ready.
புது மாப்பிள்ளைக்கு நல்ல யோகமடா அந்த மண்ண மகள் தான் வந்த நேரமடா புது மாப்பிள்ளைக்கு நல்ல யோகமடா அந்த மண்ண மகள் தான் வந்த நேரமடா பொண்ணு ஓவியம் போ.
Okay, so here we have identified one rhythm, that ba 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 re, ba 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 re, ba 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 re. Okay, so when it comes ba 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 re, so during the time what we can do? Okay, let me show you. Okay, so ba 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 re, ba 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 re. Okay, so ba 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 re. So 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So as of now, okay, I wanted to choreograph this song. I am hearing it for the first time. So I have identified this rhythm. I didn't start with the first beat or first minute. I have identified what is the rhythm of this one. Ba 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 re, kadiyo gamura ba 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 re, da 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 da, ba 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 re, da 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 da, ba ba re. Am I right? So I have identified this ba 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 re, and I'm not aware of this. What is the first minute, or what is the 12th second, or what is the 59th second? I don't bother. I'm concentrating mostly on the ba 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 re. Okay. So now for ba 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 re, first registered step for me. Okay. Who knows that? Right? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Ba 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 re, ba 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 re. So like now I wanted to improvise this one. So I will test for myself. I will test for myself whether this is registering with that or not. Okay. Now my next will be okay. So 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Now let's come to our leg movement. Okay. So now we have 3. Now I'll play a song for ba ba ba. I'm doing like what are the registered thing what I got, and out of these 3 movements, which is matching perfectly, I'll test it. Okay. So what is our first set? 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Okay, next one. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. If you remember, I'm trying to show you first 2 sets. They're completely different from first 54. Completely different from first 54. And now third set. Ba 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 re, ba 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 re, ba 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 re. So this the S3 movement I am using. Let's see which suits. Let's see which one suits it best.
புது மாப்பிள்ளைக்கு நல்ல யோகமடா அந்த மண்ண மகள் தான் வந்த நேரமடா புது மாப்பிள்ளைக்கு நல்ல யோகமடா அந்த மண்ண மகள் தான் வந்த நேரமடா பொண்ணு ஓவியம் போல் இருப்பா கொடி ரோடையை போல் நடப்பா கலகலப்பா அவ சிரிப்பா தரவடிப்பா.
Okay, now I'll play one more time and I'll perform all 3 when ba 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 re is coming. Okay, try to each and everybody try to observe and given the chart window that which one, the 1 or 2 or 3, which is suiting the most, kindly tell me. Okay, so like it's a public opinion. It's like a public opinion which is coming so good. Then you people will start that. Okay, you people also will start doing that. Okay.
புது மாப்பிள்ளைக்கு நல்ல யோகமடா அந்த மண்ண மகள் தான் வந்த நேரமடா புது மாப்பிள்ளைக்கு நல்ல யோகமடா அந்த மண்ண மகள் தான் வந்த நேரமடா பொண்ணு ஓவியம் போல இருப்பா இருப்பா குடிரோட நடப்பா நடப்பா நல்ல நடப்பா.
Which one you felt it good? Okay, so Rajesh mentioned second one and Ramesh mentioned the first one.
No. I just was raising my hand.
Yeah,
Before the song started, I really liked the second one. The second one seems to much better.
exactly. Yes, yeah. Because where two counts are doing, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 counts are doing. Yeah.
And once the song started, I think all of them were equally good. But before the song,
Yes. So why I did that? Let me tell you. Once song started, Baba movement is coming like 3 to 4 times. If I use the same step, then it will be bad. So that's why what I mentioned is like 1, 2, 3, like in a sequence manner, I included. Okay. So now in the first step also, like continuously Baba is coming, right? These 3 we can register continuously. Okay. So now what happened? As a new dance, okay, I got the beat immediately. And when Rajesh Narayan said like Apurva Sahodaran, then we know like in Telugu also it is Apurva Sahodaran, that Kamal Haasan movie. He is short and sweet, so all those things come up. And this Baba Pare song I remembered quickly. Okay, like what if? Now let me take one English song. And let's try to bring it out. Even just I'm typing the famous and latest trending English song. Let me see what it is coming. Okay,
Writing's not that easy.
something it is coming
Grammarly
like
can help.
dance
This sentence
monkey.
is grammatically
Let's,
correct.
do this. Okay, now I don't do, but song is starting now. Let me do some random step. At what step I am feeling registered, that's one I'll repeat. You people also start doing this. Okay.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry.
Okay, now I'm repeating. Let's make this first 20 from. This
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I said,
Okay, great. Now I got one high pitch. Okay, move body, do da 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 da. So that is repeating 2 times means like where I got this one. Okay. So generally the origin of this step is this one, right? Actually, 25 and 26. 25, 26. Now what I did? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. But the same thing. Where I'm doing like this, right? So 25, 26, 25, 26. I'm just repeating 25, 25, 25, 25. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's keep this one. Something it is coming like the right. Where let's include this one. Let's include this one.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine.
Some random steps
Take
I'm
your
you.
hand, my
I'm
dear,
just
and
waiting
place
for
them
that.
both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna try. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I said, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life.
Good. Good. Now, like if you observe, like what we did exactly here is like even I'm like a fresher, total fresher. Okay. Like I know dance, but I don't know the music. So in that case, also I need to start like whatever the movements that I know, I wanted to include them. Okay. But in general, what I'll do now, before in front of you, I have listened. Okay. Where we can keep the registered movements, right? I'm like before in hand, I wanted to listen in my earphones like a music, and I'll go into my imagination. I'll go into my imagination, and then I'll frame the steps over there, and then I'll implement on the dance floor. Then in within few minutes, I can bring something out of it. Okay. Now, like, what is this imagination? I wanted to make yes. Now we are last 5 minutes. I wanted to please come close to the camera. We are doing a small activity. Maybe like I can do this hypnotism or not, I don't know, but I wanted to take you people to somewhere else now for some time. Okay, like maybe like we people are gathering in a dance studio for some time. Let's do that. Okay, so please cooperate with this. And I'm not closing my eyes. Everybody is closing your eyes. Everybody is closing your eyes and just follow my instructions. Okay. Everybody is please follow my instruction very, very carefully. Okay, let's give and let's get best out of this activity 100%. Everybody ready? Please show your thumbs up. Great. Thanks everyone. Okay, close your eyes now. We're starting in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody over here, they are entering into an imaginary world. The thing is, everybody, here we have Rajesh Narayan, Ramesh, Bharat, Rajesh, Roy, Ramurthy, Fanidhar, Mohan, and me. We are going to meet for the first time. Okay, so you people entered into my place, my dance studio, which is of black and red combination building. Black and red combination building. It's a long building. It's like a mini train. So you people just parked your own vehicle. Everybody, please remember your vehicle, your own vehicle. And please imagine that you are parking somewhere in that building premises. Yes, you have parked. Now, Ramesh is getting out of his car. Now, Samir is coming out of his studio. In the meanwhile, Bharat is entering into the studio. Everybody recognized the opposite person. Ramesh identified me identified Bharat, Bharat identified us, and everybody started gathering now. Everybody is coming towards each other. They are wishing each other. You are Ramesh, right? You are Roy, right? Hi, Faridar. How are you? So everybody wishing each other. Then you felt like everybody is smiling. Everybody is smiling. Everybody is smiling, and they wanted to keep their hearts out, and they wanted to start their big day in that studio. Everybody entered into that studio. They see around the studio, they are seeing only the mirrors. Wherever they are seeing, there are mirrors. Okay. And Rajesh just identified himself that he wanted to wear jeans, but he wore short and cup. He have identified that by seeing in the mirror. Okay. And Ramurthy sir is asking like which company player it is, which company speaker it is. He's asking some technical questions. And Samir asked each and everybody to stand in a row. Okay, form a structure to start one of our first class. Everybody is there. Okay. Everybody is having shoes. Okay. And kindly imagine your shoe color. Now, Bababare Rajayogamura Bababare. I have started that song. Then initially I have requested everyone to do your own movements. Okay, bring that swing, bring that swag into your body. Imbibe that whole music into your body. Okay, now the music is going to play now. Okay, everybody needs to get into that and enjoy that song. Okay, and
Get ClickUp's unlimited
Okay,
plan
so
15% off for life. A sign in.
so what happened immediately? I have realized that few people are not smiling and few people are not doing. I have identified them. Come on, like bring that out of smile, bring that swag into your body. Yes, move your body. I have started my own song like move your body. Then everybody started doing like me. Why? Because I'm doing move your body step, and you are following that. Okay. Now nobody is not seeing like what move your body I'm doing, but everybody over here are successfully imagining that some step I'm doing there. You are just following me. Great. Okay. Now I requested everybody to stop and share yourselves like what is your experience. And now everybody open your eyes. Randomly, okay, if I ask like, Roy sir, which color shoe you wore or which color shirt you wore on that day? If I ask such question, what you are going to answer for that?
Black shoe.
Black shoe. Okay, if I ask Bharat.
Yes, sir. Black and white combination shoe.
Okay, why we did this activity now? Like I guess like most of you, except Rajesh, except yourself, reminding it everybody that law of attraction EVM, and I'm going to share with you that even today, Rajesh, the secret law of attraction, right? There are three principles. Ask the universe, believe that, and get that. This is the formula, the whole thing, and so many case studies how it is getting success. And one beautiful thing I mastered in that. I have mastered in that one by continuously attending 16 different sessions by paying thousands and thousands of rupees to Rhonda Brain and team. Okay, so like I somehow believe, maybe I should not boast myself heavily, but I can say that I can master that. To where I wanted to be specific. Where I was training the students, if I ask what is your goal to get a good job, they will say, good job means what is the meaning of good job? Then someone will say like good salary. Okay, then do one thing. Come every day to my home and clean my house. I'll give you 2 lakh rupees monthly. Now, can you claim that is that a good job? No. Then which gives us satisfaction. So we have to be more specific. We have to be more specific. That is the reason I talked about mirrors. I talked about your vehicles. I talked about your shoes, and I talked about everyone is wishing each other. Everybody is identifying each other. So this thing. Okay, this part. Okay, so kindly imagine what I'll do is for every sample for the first time I'm listening, or some of the crowd will come or call one day. Samir, like in 2 days we're having function. We don't know what to do. Now please help us something. And they are going to give some track. Now, if tomorrow I'm starting the practice means this evening minimum 2 to 3 hours, minimum half an hour I'll spend on my imagination by listening to that song. Okay, so this song. Okay, where high pitch is coming, where we need to register ourselves, all this part. Great, and then what I'll do is, I'll take that out. And I'll go before the mirror or before the screen. Okay, now actually we don't have a studio as of now out of COVID. That's the reason what I'll do. Even the individual feedback I have given to Ramesh Batch, Ramesh Panigar, right? Even I'm using the Zoom itself, where I can see myself as a mirror. Okay, so then whatever the imagination, I just wanted to give action to that imagination, where I'll bring some output. Now the real challenge comes. Now the people will come next day, and I wanted to invite the same steps towards them, but some of them want different step. Their demand is different now. Now the supply is there. Now their demand is different. Now I need to modify my supply based on their demand. That too instantly. But I have somehow figured in the imagination that, okay, for this one we can do 3 different ways. As we did now. Okay, so, okay, next one is the last one is the third S3 movement. Okay, so I have registered 3, right? So I can use any 3 of them. Then definitely a person will like it 1 or 2 or 3. So that is how the choreograph generally goes. Why I have demonstrated today means you people should understand, okay, how Samir will do if some new song comes. Even if you don't know something, how he is going to achieve that. I just wanted to prove that today. Okay, like if I brought some boredom feeling to you people today because of this whatever the Dance Monkey and this Baba Bare song, but I just wanted to prove that here like this I am doing. Maybe you can follow the same and similar pattern where your learning strategy comes out. Got this point, right? Okay. So today, like coming to the summary part, what we have done. So we have started with the differences between all forms of fitness, and then all forms of dances we are going to discuss in the next week, next Saturday, like different forms. Okay, different forms. And today warm up and the differences, and we have revised the 54 movements. Okay, and then I have shown you in between the importance of hip movements and how to bring out grace by keeping hands here and there on the tummy part, how it is bringing the flexibility into our body. Okay, and then this choreography, the basic choreography, how it happens. And if you consider Zumba, there is no concept of choreography or to this rhythm we need to do that. It's just a continuous, it's a 30-minute session or 40-minute session. It's like a party. We enter into the studio, they play music. We are going to continuously do that, whatever the step that instructor is showing us, that is different music. Whatever the music comes, we are doing the similar steps. And we'll complete that. After 30 to 40 minutes, we'll come out of the studio and next batch enters. But coming to the dance, we need to understand the rhythm, okay? And here the choreography comes. So this music here, 1, okay, this is 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, like this we need to choreograph. That is where creativity comes out. That is where our right and left brain coordinate each other. Okay, so what left brain generally does is copies. What right brain it creates. Now here what we are doing, we are creating and copying, we are coordinating. Okay, so this is the summary of the day 1. Where you people, like I have shown different movements, okay, the same improvisations how to do. This 54 movements also in different ways. In coming days, what we are going to see is in different ways how we can mix them how we can improvise them, 2 count, 4 count, how we can make that, and how to bring out the expression from the face. Like today we have that imagination exercise, right? In the similar way, the expression exercise. So many activities I have imbibed. Okay. One thing I can say very confidently, you feel amazed in my sessions where I include all the activities where it improves other skills as well, not only dance skill, improves other skill as well. So that you will definitely experience that. And I wanted to make the difference when compared to the other dance trainers, where only pure dance will be there. Here in my session, you should get full complete value. Okay. So can I have a beautiful smile on everyone's face? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. And the time is already 7:40. Okay. So as a request of the current team, they have requested for 6 to 7:30. That's why 1.5 hour session we are taking. Okay. Generally, it will be 6:30 to 8:30 or 6 to 8. So based on the 2-hour session, it will be. Okay. So based on the current people, a few people requested for initial few weeks, which make the 6 to 7:30. That's why we are doing that. As we go on, as our relationship strong, right? So during that time, based on the timings and everything, we can sort it out. No, not a problem. Great. So, any questions so far? Any questions so far?
Not from today's session, but I am curious to know. See, some songs, it is completely beat based. We can know that 1, 2, 3, 4,
Exactly. Yes,
whatever.
yes.
But some songs there is no beat, but there is a signature tune in it.
Exactly.
So how do we develop the rhythm for our dance based on this combination? I'm curious to learn going forward. That's what. Not.
Yeah. So like maybe tomorrow, as you asked it, right? So tomorrow I'm going to show that. Let's take maybe from your side you bring those 2 songs. Okay. Maybe 2 songs like where complete beat is there, where complete melodious part is there, and how we are doing, how we are coordinating. Maybe with similar steps, how we can show the difference. Okay, we can see that tomorrow. Okay,
Sure,
so it's a very great question. Yeah.
I'll share those 2 songs as YouTube links in the form today, in the group today.
Good. Yes, yes. It helps. Like the people also will understand. Okay, in this way we can make the difference, and we'll imbibe that thing. And the people who started, and everybody, please confirm. Everybody is access to that secret, right? You people are able to open that and play, right? Great. Okay. And try. This is very, 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 very superb concept. More than I guess like 20 to 30 times. I don't know. Multiple times when I feel low, I just immediately open that and do that. See that case study. See that like all case studies. Superb thing.
Same here. I've read
Yes.
some time back, and then recently I have also started following that on Twitter, so that will be a everyday reminder for me.
Okay, yes, exactly. And to Rajesh, I'm going to share that now. So yesterday, like a bit late, you registered, right? So I couldn't share with you that. So I'm going to share that. Great. Okay. So now let's experience that secret as well. How to bring that like ask, believe, get. Okay, the simple step formula. We're going to achieve that. And thanks for your participation without denying while I'm doing like close your eyes means you people are closing your eyes and you people are just obeying my words. For that, I should thank each and everybody. So please, let's continue the same rapport and build the best out of it. Tomorrow, like by 6 o'clock, we will meet. Okay, great. Thanks, each and everyone.
Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you, Ramesh.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Rajesh.
we need to do that Vajrasan now, isn't it, sir?
Yeah. Yes. We need to like pose dance. Like today, we didn't stress ourselves that much, right? That's why I didn't tell. But post, pre and post. Okay, that Vajrasan part, even that is good for every day. Okay, so tomorrow what I'm going to do is not only those 3 stretches. Okay, a few more I'm going to introduce. So this complete body warm up today we have seen that, right? Including that, and also the next like the post stretchings also few more yoga movements. So like we are not going to talk much about this warm up and yoga part in coming days. Okay, in these 2 days only I just wanted to highlight. Okay, so today warm up part we completed, right? So complete like head to toe, and then tomorrow we are seeing the yoga movements, the complete yoga movements, and Ramesh will come up with those two songs like how to show the difference. And I'm going to enhance on one more step today, like 1 to 7. We have seen, right? In the similar way, like a few more steps we are going to enhance. So this is the plan. Okay. So thank you guys. Thank you so much. You made my day. Great.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Great. Thanks,
Thank
Bharat.
you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Roy. Thank you so
Bye,
much
sir.
for joining.
Bye, everyone.
Have a great day. Bye.